Meet Marc, salesman, father, and all-around pet lover. Marc loves to come home from work, relax, and sit outside while his kids play and his animals run around.
We've had this home for all over 40 years. It's a generational home. My wife grew up in this house, and this is the original fence that we've had since she's been a little girl, and it's the original fence. It's getting old, it's getting rusty, it's broken down. So a few of the other problem spots that we have is there's some hardware cloth down here that I had to install on the bottom of the fence where the animals would get out. I've had to take this piece of board, which is warped. There's another spot down here. So I was really dragging my feet over the last several years over this project and realized it was really time to get going, but how do I start that process? So I started looking online. I went to Lowe's.com and I found a really great fence that I thought would be perfect for my home. So I went to Lowe's. I went to the fencing section and found the IronCraft fence and talked to the Lowe's folks and said, this is what I want for my home. Can they come and do the measurements and give me an estimate for what it would cost to put around my home? After they showed up to the home and they did the measurements and told me what it was cost, to me it was an absolute no-brainer.
That sounds great, let's do it. Okay. I'm looking forward to it.
Once you decide to make a purchase of fencing, whether it's our fencing from IronCraft or someone else's fencing, you always have to make sure that you check with your local building codes, especially for pools and or any other kind of commercial application that the consumer's going to do, because you got to make sure that you basically follow the ordinances. Installing the fence is a very simple process. The installers come, they clear everything out, and they install the new fence with very little disruption to the homeowner and to the neighbors. And in a couple days, you end up with an added value to your home with a new fence, and you can start enjoying your outdoors.
IronCraft also offers the no-dig fence line.
The no-dig fence is a very easy DIY project that any consumer can do, and it's stocked at all the Lowe's stores.
So I'm very proud of my plant garden that I created here, but I really want to fence it in because sometimes there's animals that come here, so I'm going to DIY it. I don't feel like I need a contractor or anything. I think I can do it myself with a very easy to install fence. I've got all the pieces and I'm ready to put it up.
The unique thing about this product is you can go from heights of about 2 feet almost up to 4 feet, and it transitions very smoothly. The nice thing about it is you can install it with a simple hammer, a rubber mallet, and a 2x4, and anybody can do it. The easy thing about this is it takes no measuring, because you can use the panels to measure. It takes no digging the holes like you would with residential or commercial fence, because the spikes actually go into the ground, and you hammer those spikes, and then the post actually goes inside the spike. The post holds the panels up, therefore it's a very, very easy and simple process for any DIYer to do over a weekend.
All done. This no-dig fence took no time at all, maybe just a few hours, and it looks incredible. My plants look beautiful with it, and I'm very proud that I did it all by myself.
This really was a stress-free process. My kids are enjoying this, my animals enjoy this, I'm enjoying this. We really did make the right choice. Absolutely loving our new fence.
To learn more, go to IronCraftFences.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.